Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful sandals. For this sole, I'm going to put the link in the description of this video so you can check it out. So you carry the other one you finish, put it together to get the measurement. Tie a slip knot, insert your crochet and pull it out. Pull your stitch marker inside your crochet. Insert it into the slip knot you have tied. Then you pull it out. Yarn over and pull through to attach the thread. So we're going to make chains. We're going to make 32 chains. I will connect it to this side. So after the 32 chains, remove your stitch marker, insert, pull through and pull through to connect. So under these chains, we are going to make single crochet. So you make up to 37 single crochet. So we'll meet at the end. At the end, you insert your crochet hook, yarn over and pull through. Then you pull through the 2 loops. Insert for the second time, yarn over and pull through. Pull through the 2 loops. You insert again the 3rd time, yarn over and pull through. Pull through the 2 loops. Then you turn, skip the 1st loop, insert your crochet hook in the 2nd loop and start making single crochet. Repeat to the end. At the end, insert, yarn over and pull through. You pull through 2, insert the 2nd time, yarn over and pull through. Pull through 2 again, insert the 3rd time, yarn over and pull through. Pull through 2. So you skip this one, insert in this place and start another row of single crochet. So guys, if you are new on this channel, you are highly welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. And if you have not yet subscribed, please, you might consider subscribing, because on this channel I have a lot of things that I do teach, and there are lots more coming. So if you are interested in craft, if you are interested in crochet, if you are interested in bead, this is the right place to be. So you can subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out when I release new videos. And thank you so much for all of you that have subscribed. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up because it helps with the algorithm, and please share. Thank you so much for always supporting me. So here I make a total of 18 rows of single crochet. I stop at the 18th row and cut off the thread, then hide the excess. So this stitch marker and this stitch marker, in between the two markers I counted 20 loops, 20, and by the side I counted 21 loops. By this other side I also counted 21 loops. So I put the stitch marker. So you are going to make a slip knot, remove the stitch marker and attach your thread. I'll be making one single crochet to the end of the other marker. So you cut off the thread and pull. In this place you have 10 loops. You can see up to 10 loops, and I put stitch marker, the same thing on this side. So you make a knot again, pull your stitch marker and insert your crochet hook in the loop and then pull to attach your thread. So I'm going to make 21 chains. So after making your 21 chains, you attach it here. So you repeat to this side, single crochet, and then you make another 21 chains after you are done, and we'll attach it here. So you turn and start making a row of the single crochet. Repeat the same thing to the end here. So at the end you are going to insert, yarn over and pull through, then you pull through the 2 loops. You are going to insert again, pull through and pull through the 2 loops. Then you turn your work and start another row of the single crochet. You repeat the same thing to the end here. So at the end you insert, yarn over and pull through, pull through the 2 loops, and start again, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Then you turn and start another row of the single crochet. So I did a total of 14 rows here, and that's what you're going to repeat on the other leg, which I've done. So here you're going to count a total of 15 loops and then insert your stitch marker to start knitting the strap. So you make a slip knot, remove your stitch marker, insert your crochet hook, insert into the knot and pull through. Attach the thread, make single crochet. So we're going to make a total of 54 chains. Make up to 54. So at the end you start making a row of the single crochet. So repeat the same thing to the end. At the end, you're going to insert in the next loop, yarn over and pull through. Pull through the 2 to attach. Make 1 chain and turn. So you skip the first loop, insert in the second loop. Start making another row of the single crochet. Repeat to the end. Make 1 chain and turn. So you attach it again. Make 1 chain and turn. So you're going to make a total of 6 rows. complete the 6 rows and I'll meet you at the end. So I've just finished my 6 rows. You can see it's looking the same. So you are going to make 1 chain out of your thread and pull. Then you hide your excess thread inside the knitting. You are going to take your buckle and place it like this. You can see as I'm doing it, you are going to use needle and thread and connect it, and it will look just like this. So friends, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video.